Na-excite ako, tumatay balay ko. Parang kinikilig din ako. Parang it's so alive. Like,
Kari ka mo. Kami maghahulat sa inyo.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Miley!
For today's vlog, ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction video. This time, for the National Costume and Tourism video ng isa sa delegates for Binibining Pilipinas 2024, the 60th edition. And this time, it's for Binibini 5. That's Iloilo Niklin Hutay.
Niklin Hutay.
Not Jutay, but Dax. Chayan, and let's watch this.
Mainit nga pag-abi-abi sa duta sang pagpalangga.
Oh my gosh, I must say na excited ka na ba for the
Yes. At saka pala, combination pala ito ng tourism video tsaka national
Sa ending, nandun yung national costume, parang pasilip and all.
You know that kind of feeling of kilig and gayag whenever I say Iloilo is my home? Our Ilonggo spirit is alive everywhere. Nagkakabuhi ang amon panublion kag maragtas.
Parang, na-excite ako, tumatay balay ko. Parang kinikilig din ako. Parang it's so alive. Like, ang hirap na explain.
Ganda.
Oh, dinagyang.
Rooted in love and devotion. Masundayag sang kultura kag taliambong.
Ganda. Ang kulay nga.
You know what's the pasundayag?
Ano?
Like showcasing the culture and
wow.
yeah.
Dinagyang tells a tale of victorious decades.
Grabe,
fulfilling
napaka-festive.
a covenant of passion saying, sa tanan nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon.
I love the energy ng narration.
Like, nandun yung
Savor
tamang
the produce
timpla.
of our land and sea. From delectable seafood to hearty comfort food. Every meal is a flavored packed adventure that loved the city.
Sarap na sarap talaga siya.
UNESCO Creative City
Diba?
of
Parang
Gastronomy.
nakakatakam.
But beyond
Molo.
the sights and sounds are our artisans who breathe life into age-old crafts, creating masterpieces that tell stories.
I like it. Yung paggawa na, di ba mostly yung gumagawa ng ganyan na yung mga pageant queens, hindi sila part ng group. But this one, like, she wore the same outfit as the other girls.
Kumbaga nag-perform din talaga siya. Kasama doon siya, incorporated siya doon sa video. Tsaka ang ganda nung nung the way she, kumbaga, bato nung mga linya, it's very passionate talaga. Gigil siya talaga eh. Perfect yung gigil.
Since past, my costume proudly showcases various weaving techniques have been
Ayun.
perfected over
Ganun ang
centuries.
transition.
Just like the craftsmanship
Wow!
and the elat. This gown is called Primera Reina Filipiniana.
Wow, nice. Very
Paying
nice.
homage to Pura Villanueva Calao,
Oh.
a trailblazer, an advocate, a beacon of hope for future generations, and an Ilongga pioneer who made history.
Ang
as the
ganda.
first
Very
Filipino
exquisite ng
queen.
pagkakagawa.
Tsaka ang ganda ng story.
Diba? Mukha siyang maditalin simbahan. Parang ganun yung itsura niya.
Pura Villanueva Calao.
I love the texture.
Tsaka yung mga
What's there
delicate
not to love
pieces.
about the city that has thrived and grown because of love? Kari ka mo. Kami maghahulat sa inyo. My heart will forever beat for you. Rakagid nga salamat.
Oh.
I love it! I love it! I love it!
Parang nakaka-touch yung yung ganong, yung mensahe, ang ganda nung scripting, ang ganda nung delivery, ng visuals, ng transition, ng color.
Yeah.
Dynamic.
Alam mo yung, if kung sasalayan mo siya, kung strain mo siya, hindi siya yung ginawa for the sake of yung tourism na international na puro sobrang bland. This is some sort of, meron siyang personal, meron siyang passion na kasama, meron siyang community, marami siyang may offer talaga sa Iloilo.
Saka yun nga, ang ganda nung timpla ni Nicklin to be able to deliver yung kanyang mga lines with so much passion,
conviction,
so much pagpalangga.
Yes.
Sa Iloilo, which is
nakakaninig yung mga may mga Ilonggo.
Paano yung minig?
Hindi ba na? Hindi naman yung minig na may sakit. Minig na yung mga kilig.
Yes. Feel giddy about it.
Wow!
But of course,
yun pala yung English nun?
Tapos, syempre, yung sa kanyang gown, let's not forget about the designer, that's Alfie Desamparado. Kasi, sila naman talaga yung di ba, yung main actor, main character dun sa for me, for us, yung sa costume, is yung designer.
Sa akin in a designer's perspective, may mga designs kasi na they can put a lot of
details na hindi mo maintindihan, hindi nagtutugma. Ito, parang it focuses on the texture and lahat ng details is well put. And the color is, nagmamatch lang din.
Ang mahal tingnan.
Magkano?
Like, very, ewan ko. Napaka-delicate niya.
So, ayan, congratulations to Iloilo for putting again another masterpiece, another great, video which is very palatable.
Wow, palatable.
Hindi, ang ganda talaga. Kudos to the team, and we're so excited kung hanggang saan dadalhin si Nicklin ng journey niya na to, kasi yung bata is grabe ang passionate and napaka-dedicated sa ginagawa niya. So, yun yung gusto nating makita. Gusto nating suportahan, syempre.
Sa akin naman siguro, paano kaya susuportahan ulit ng mga
Ilonggo. Kasi grabe yung pinapakita nilang support sa kanilang candidate, and makikita mo yung pagmamahal nila sa Iloilo per se. And as simple as, for me as a fan then, I don't think na there's something wrong with expressing, let's say, yung kunyari, taga Iloilo ako, tapos susuportahan ko yung kandidata ko. I will just put there, I love Iloilo. Go Alexi. Parang, kahit saan niya ilalagay yun, there's nothing wrong with that na, kasi in-express niya lang, nag-uumapaw yung kanyang suporta dun sa kandidata nila. Ganun sila ka-proud, and we shouldn't take it offensive kung kinoment yun sa ibang video na kasi parang, kumbaga, dumaan sa feed nila news feed nila. So, ang naramdaman nila, kahit na dumaan niya sa newsfeed ko, Iloilo pa rin ako. Hindi magbabago yung pagmamahal ko at pagsuporta ko sa Iloilo. Ganun lang. Diba?
Gusto ko yun na parang defense by expressing your love. Kumpara dun sa mga iba na talagang
very offensive.
Kung ano nung sinasabi tungkol sa ibang kandidata para lang maitaas yung sarili nilang kandidata, diba?
So let's at the end of the day, let's just spread love. And mas maganda na, alam mo yun, i-appreciate natin yung ganda ng Pilipinas. Like what we say, tourism video is one of our favorite na part ng or portion ng isang pageant, kasi doon na showcase yung ganda ng Philippines, and mas marami ang nai-encourage na bisitahin tong lugar na to kasi ito yung may offer niya. Ang saya lang. So, yun lang guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo na kami sa nagdaang video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!